Hey guys, this is Sanidh and welcome to the sixth tutorial of XHTML and CSS. So in this tutorial we are going to talk about the images. So in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to insert the images on your own website. So for the images you need an image tag. Remember, image is a single tag. That means it doesn't have any open and closing tag. So let's do this. For the image you need a img space / and a closing sign. So this is a simple image tag. For inserting the images you need to type src, which stands for source, that is what type of a file you are looking for, equals to double quotation and the file name. In my case I have a file name, a file. So let's see the property. Here is the file name and here is the extension, that is what type of a file it is. So let's type this. So I'll type fire.jpg. so let's save this and see what will happen. Boom, here we got this a file image on our own website. Actually it does not look so pretty good, but don't worry about this. I'll tell you that how to dimension this on the next tutorial. So let's move to the next topic. So our next topic in this tutorial is how to make this image as a link. So for the links actually you need a link tag. So let's make it a link tag. Okay, so here what I did actually, here the image source, here all the image tag, I place it between these link tag and I link it to the Google. So let's type href equals to double quotation http://google.com. Okay, so let's save this and open this. Bang. Here you can see the thumbs up sign. Here you can see the finger sign. So when I click on this, it's going to open the google.com. So that's how you insert the image on your website and convert it into a link. So that's all for today's tutorial. Hope you guys like it. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you guys on the next tutorial.